The Pushup Timer Challenge. Can you do 100 push-ups in 10 minutes? Embarking on fitness challenges adds an exciting dimension to our workout routines. In this article, we explore the adrenaline-pumping Pushup Timer Challenge, challenging enthusiasts to complete 100 push-ups within a time limit. Discover the physical and mental fortitude required to conquer this dynamic challenge and elevate your fitness journey. Body. The essence of the Pushup Timer Challenge. Introduce the challenge concept, emphasizing its time-bound nature. Highlight the dual benefits of building strength and improving endurance. Setting the stage. Preparing for the challenge. Discuss the importance of a proper warm-up before engaging in intense physical activity. Provide a recommended warm-up routine to optimize performance. Technique matters. Perfecting your push-up form. Stress the significance of maintaining proper form during the challenge. Offer tips on optimizing technique for efficiency and injury prevention. The 10-minute countdown. Strategies for success. Discuss time management and pacing strategies for the challenge. Encourage participants to find a balance between speed and endurance. Building endurance and stamina. Explore how the Pushup Timer Challenge contributes to endurance development. Discuss the physiological benefits of combining strength and cardiovascular elements. Mental toughness. Overcoming challenges with enthusiasm. Address the mental aspect of the challenge, including focus and perseverance. Share techniques to stay motivated and push through mental barriers. Adapting for different fitness levels. Offer variations and modifications for participants with varying fitness levels. Emphasize inclusivity and the importance of tailoring the challenge to individual capabilities. Tracking progress and celebrating milestones. Discuss the significance of monitoring performance over time. Encourage participants to celebrate achievements and set new goals. Post-challenge recovery. Nurturing your body. Emphasize the importance of cool-down exercises to aid in muscle recovery. Provide recommendations for post-challenge stretches and self-care. Join the community, sharing experiences and encouraging others. Highlight the power of community support in fitness challenges. Encourage participants to share their experiences and inspire others. Conclusion. Wrap up by highlighting the excitement and benefits of the Pushup Timer Challenge, urging readers to embrace the opportunity for personal growth in strength, endurance, and mental resilience. Invite them to share their journey and accomplishments within the growing community of challenge enthusiasts.